Hello students, all the best for your NEET exam. These are some of the gunshot topics. Before going to the exam, you have to revise them. If you don't revise, if you don't try these, definitely after the exam you will cry. If you don't try these, definitely I'm sure you are going to cry after the exam. So please don't miss these topics. So what are the topics which I am going to discuss here? You just see here. First of all, I am going to discuss some of the first year topics here. Before going to the exam, never miss these topics. You just see once at least, see the formulas and some of the examples. Otherwise, definitely are going to cry. So every year these type of questions are 100% asked. So don't miss these type of questions here. Definitely in first year there will be one question from friction. Okay, so 2020 I'm not talking about any other years. 2020, don't miss these questions please. This is from my experience. I don't want you people to cry after the exam. Okay, so please listen to this. This is for your better sake. Okay, so just see here, friction is the first topic. Don't miss here this topic. Then after that, the second topic which you have to see before going to the exam is collisions. Don't miss these collisions here. Third topic which definitely are going to get in first year is heat engine and refrigerator. Heat engine, or you'll be getting from a refrigerator. Please don't go to the exam before seeing these topics here. I am your well-wisher, please and please, I am requesting many times. I don't want to see you crying. Okay, this is the next topic. What is the next topic in first year which you have to see before going to the exam? That is thermodynamics graphs. Thermodynamics graphs, definitely. Okay, so this is there now. Here after that, what is the definitely question asked in every year is in units and dimensions. Units and dimensions. Never miss these topics before going to the exam. I am telling again and again because I am your well-wisher. Please, my dear students, what are the second year topics in second year 2020? Gunshot topics I am telling. Okay, you have to definitely revise at least once before going to the exam. Before entering into the exam theater, exam center, you have to see at least once these topics because definitely these are going to come. Okay, so next after that, what are the topics in first year? First year is Young's double slit experiment. Okay, then the second topic which you have to see here is prism. Prism is definitely going to come here. Prism is definitely going to come here. Next after that, the third topic is potentiometer. Potentiometer. Please never go to the exam before seeing this topic here, potentiometer. Okay, next, Doppler effect. At least see the formulas and go. Doppler effect, because this is in tension, definitely you are going to lose your temper and you will forget at least some of the topics before you will miss the planning here. Okay, never miss the planning here. Okay, Doppler effect. After that, radioactivity. Definitely you are going to get questions from these topics here. Radioactivity. After that, never miss the topics organ pipes. Okay, organ pipes here. Then after that, capacitors. In capacitors you are going to get one question here. Okay, and most probably you may be getting conceptual question from this. Okay, conceptual questions you are going to get from this. Please don't miss this one. While sitting in bus and traveling in journey, at least you just see the formulas and go. 1 hour if you spend on these topics, I am sure at least 20 to 30 marks you are going to get here. Okay, so this is capacitors you are going to get here. Next is photoelectric effect. Never miss this topic. Photoelectric effect, 100% you are going to get question from this topic. Next topic I am going to discuss here is logic gates. Simplest and scoring topic, logic gates. Okay, logic gates, you are going to get definitely one question here. Next 10th topic, which in which definitely one question you are going to get is electromagnetic waves. Okay, in electromagnetic waves, just remember wavelengths. Okay, wavelength, frequency and energy order. You just remember the order of wavelengths and frequency, which is having greater wavelength, red or violet, like this type of simple questions are asked. Okay, please don't miss this one. See the tabular column and go to the exam. Otherwise, please students, try to understand feelings of my. Okay, so next, Bohr's model you are going to get definitely. Okay, so in this topic definitely you are going to get the questions here. Understand? So please go through these topics here. Okay, next here, if everything is over, okay, then what is the planning for the exam? Just to see here, what is the planning while planning of attempting the physics paper, planning of attempting especially physics paper. Okay, see here children, first of all, attempt very easy questions, attempt very easy questions first, very easy questions. Okay, so attempt very easy questions, that is 10 to 15 questions, you already know these questions. So solve these questions within 20 minutes. Okay, please solve these questions within 20 minutes. Next, these are the questions which are little bit doubtful questions here. Okay, that means you know the answer or somewhat doubtful will be, definitely this type of questions will be 10 to 15 questions. Okay, so in you solve this 10 to 15 questions in just 20 minutes children. Okay, after that last 5 minutes, last 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, you just fight with tough questions, fight with tough questions here. Okay, then it is going to be your luck here. If you do so, what are you going to get now? Okay, so minimum 10 and 5 questions. Okay, so 10 and 10 and 5, definitely at least if you fight with 22 questions here, so how much you are going to get? 22 into 4, 88 marks you are going to get. This is the final strategy, according to my 20 years of experience. I am telling, I started teaching from 2000. I started teaching from 2000. Okay, and this is 2020 here. So 20 years of experience by referring to different textbooks, different question papers from different authors. Okay, so I have spent a lot of my time in my life, okay, for the sake of these exams here. So please students, follow these topics. Please see these topics at least once. This is my kind request for you. Okay, thank you very much. All the best for your exam. All the best, all the best, all the best. Go like go like a lion. Go like a lion and return like an elephant with full of enthusiasm. Okay, thank you very much.